Tutorial on how to hack on PC in most games. First, click the link in the comments. Then click Get Link. You have to wait for 1 hour. Then, it will take you here. Get the newest one. Check at the right side of your screen. Clicky Stinky. Open Tiep. Click IT Rora. Go to ScriptHub to look for scripts. Script I used for the supersonic video, just look for supersonic for Ohm and you'll find it. Go back to Executor. Click the script in the comments of the modern Sonic vid, then copy everything in there. Click that plus sign to make a new script, space thingy, and paste in the script you copied earlier. To activate the script, you have to press Execute. Then go into Client Manager and select your account. Make sure it says Script executed successfully on one client at the bottom right. And here is an extra script for auto vote and infinite and no jump cooldown. It's called Ohm Hub. It will be the first one to appear. After that's done, you are good to go enjoy Twins. Here is some modern Sonic gameplay.